This is it, Yugi. Me and you. The final battle. The duel that everyone's been waiting for. I'm not gonna hold back.
You bet, Jaden. This is going to be super special awesome. I can't wait to see your strength.
Well, alright then. Yugi, it's time to spit some rhymes.
Bring it on, Jade. Wait, what? Oh, you have got to be f***ing kidding me.
Alright, Yugi, check it out. It's Jaden from GX. It's sad to say, dog, you're my new test subject. So listen up, here it is, the awesome challenge I suggest. Whoever spits the best right up at you and me will be the best duelist in the world and the king of games. You know I got you beat, but homie, don't be lame. This is serious, you gotta do it, your title says you have to. If you decline a challenge by default, that means I beat you. Yugi, I hope you're ready, cause this is gonna be heavy. And I know you might think it's unnecessary, but that's tough. Suck it up, dog, it's something that you gotta do. Or you can leave and lose your throne, it's up to you.
Oh, you think you're hot shit, huh? Okay, check this out. Prime cut. Mickety mo, I'm Mac Daddy. What's up? I said a jizz a bang, boom boom boom. The diggy dog. I said a dog, a diggity dog. Hey, what you say, Jay? Okay, your repartee's cliche. Forget trading cards. You should just take a ballet. You want a duel? Don't act the fool, or